Hello again, my dear people. So from the mighty country of China, here we have a set of batteries ordered like 3 weeks ago. So it was a pretty fast delivery, in fact, for China. They've been made specially for GoPro 7 Black. This interesting device, which is supplied by a USB power supply. You know, like the ones we are used for charging mobiles. Here we are, 5 volts. Okay, we have an USB-C and a mini USB. Yes, so the device is working. Okay, so this is made by DIGIEye, and this is DIGIEye GP501 lithium battery pack, 1500 milliamps. It's an alternative for AHDBT501. So like I said, this is a GoPro 7 Black compatible. Alright, now we are charging. Let's put them both to charge. And like usually, in the meantime, I'm gonna prepare my Charsun antimatter because I want to do a few cycles of charging, discharging. I'm really curious if these batteries are supplying the 1500 milliamps promised. Alright? Which evidently I don't expect. But let's not be so rude. Let's have a compare about the weight. Okay, so that's the original here. Do we have anything about the technology? Okay, so here we have something like 4.40 volts, a capacity of 1220 milliamps. What else? Made by Samsung. Oh yeah, the cells inside probably. Lithium. There we have it. Very clear. Let's compare the weight. Original 25 grams. DIGIEye 23 grams. One of these DIGIEye batteries got charged. Settings are 1080 with 60 frames per second. So in the meantime, you know, until all the cycles are finishing here, we can give a try. And I let this camera with a proper aluminum case is great. You know, it helps for overheating and helps the overall functionality of the camera. So we let this running. Okay, so here I have some dynamic video, obviously a fish tank, and it's looking like with a charge we could get like 1 hour and 26 minutes of non-stop recording. Well, that's not bad for a third-party battery. Okay, so we got the first results. Let's see about the real capacity of these batteries. 931 milliamps hour, 927, 924 milliamps. So this is the real capacity of the battery, 900 and around 24 milliamps hour. Well, I just nested the numbers here for battery number 2, but anyway, the same around 920 milliamps. What I changed to this connector is, instead of aluminum, I have now some brass contacts. Much better. Okay, the next one, it's the original GoPro battery. Okay, so finally my original GoPro, 4 years old by the way, got cycled 3 times. Let's have some numbers. 869, 867, 864. I can call this 860 milliamps battery. Not bad for a 4 years one. Oh, so now we are running the original GoPro, 860 milliamps or something, and I may say I'm having the same numbers like the new batteries, which supposed to be at least double like power, you know, like capacity. It's not at all. So finally we have 1 hour and 26 minutes with the original. Okay, so I got some results. Here we have those two batteries. So let's start with the new ones. DIGIEye 1500 milliamps turns to be in fact 925 milliamps, at least 30% less than advertised. So I could reach 1 hour and 26 minutes or something of recording at 1080 with 60 frames. No stabilization, no GPS, nothing, simply video recording. Okay, so that's the final result. Funny, the original GoPro was supposed to be a Hatch DBT501, advertised with 1220 milliamps hour. Yeah, after 4 years turns to have 860 milliamps hour. Not bad. So I may say with the original I got almost the same numbers, with the same frame rate and resolution of the video. I like the charger. It's small, it's easy to hook up. All we need is a power bank or charger of any kind. Oh, let me check if the USB-C is for charging. I hope so. Of course. So we have micro USB and USB-C, and this is a really nice touch, you know. So you don't have to look for special dedicated cables. You just plug in your phone adapter or something. So this said it's charging with 600 milliamps until 4.35 volts. It's a little bit high for my taste, but anyway, it's nice, it's small, it's portable. What can I say? First of all, the advertised power, it's like 30% less than it have to be. Not bad, not bad. But if you consider that these guys cost like maybe 15 euros or almost 15 US dollars, you know, nowadays. Is it worth it? What can I say? For 15 euros or something like this, I think it's worth it, you know. I have two batteries, even limpid, you know, 30% less than it should be. I can say with these two batteries I can have at least 3.5 hours of recording at 1080 with 60 frames. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. My question is, why not being honest? You know, it's a, okay, let's say 1000 milliamps battery, and that's it. That's the stuff. These are the money for. I never encounter honest advertised characteristics, at least, you know, the stuffs from AliExpress, at least. Well, that's life. At least I know what I'm expecting. I'm always halving, if I may say, my expectation. Okay, that's it for today. I hope it's useful. Like always, please subscribe and like, and of course be creative, and don't forget, have fun. Bye bye.